Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Are you ready to supercharge your crypto journey in 2025? Bybit is offering an exclusive opportunity to unlock over $30,000 in bonuses. And today, I'm going to show you how to claim these rewards using the latest referral codes. Stick around till the end because I've got some insider tips to maximize your earnings. Bybit is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, known for its user-friendly interface, advanced trading features, and robust security measures. Whether you're into spot trading, futures, or DeFi, Bybit has something for everyone. And the best part? They're rolling out massive bonuses for new users in 2025. Unlock up to $30,050 in bonuses. Bybit's welcome package is designed to give you a head start. Here's how you can claim your bonuses. Whale Portal sign up. Click the link in the description below to register on Bybit. Enter referral code. During registration, enter one of the following referral codes to unlock your bonuses. BT666. Unlock up to $30,000 in bonuses and enjoy a 50% discount on trading fees. GMR4XON. Receive up to $30,000 in bonuses, plus an additional $50 sign-up reward after completing KYC. 50394. Get up to $30,000 in bonuses and a 50% discount on trading fees. Crypto Ninjas. Lunce Metrics. Claim up to $30,000 in bonuses and a $20 sign-up bonus. $43,654. Access up to $30,050 in bonuses and a chance to spin the reward wheel for additional prizes. Complete KYC, verify your identity to unlock all available bonuses. Make your first deposit. Deposit funds into your Bybit account to activate your bonuses. Lunc Metrics. Start trading. Begin trading to enjoy the benefits of your bonuses and reduced fees. Maximize your earnings to make the most of Bybit's referral program. Invite friends, share your unique referral code, and earn additional rewards. When your friends sign up and participate in promotions, keep an eye on Bybit's promotions page for limited time offers and events. Trade actively. The more you trade, the more rewards you can earn. Ready to unlock your crypto bonuses? Click the link in the description to sign up on Bybit using one of the referral codes mentioned above. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your crypto portfolio in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips and updates. And remember, always trade responsibly. Happy trading!